Do you want to grow a longer hair? Do you want to grow a fuller hair? Do you want to improve your hair texture, volume, thickness? Try today's tea and you're going to see amazing result. We are only going to be using 2 ingredients, okay, to help you to boost your hair growth. All right guys, so hi guys, welcome to today's video. So if you're new to the channel, my name is Naturally Jessie. Here I create a lot of amazing hair growth teas, butters, oil, DIY, anything that is related to DIY. Your girl got you. So this is my hair. My hair has been doing amazing and it has been growing rapidly. Okay, so this tea is one of the teas that I have been using on my hair, and it has been doing amazing work for me. Sorry guys, I'm stammering. So love, let's get started. So the first ingredient we'll be using is anise. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. This is what we're going to be using. So this helps to stimulate hair growth. Okay, it reduces hair fall and it fights itchiness in the scalp like dandruff. Okay, so benefit, it promotes hair growth and reduces hair fall. Okay, it treats itchy scalp. Okay, it enhances shine and texture. It cleans the scalp. So this is rosemary. We are going to be trying rosemary as well, just star anise and rosemary. Along the line, I'll be giving you guys the benefit of rosemary, why you should use rosemary on your hair, the benefit of rosemary. So this is the rosemary. If you have the fresh one, you can use that as well. And this is my MSM powder. I have been using it and it is doing amazing. This is going to help you to boost the rapidly growth you want. Okay, so this MSM powder is really awesome. So we need a clean jar just like this, and we'll be adding in our ingredients. For measurement, I'm going to be eyeballing it. So for the star anise, I use like I think 10 balls of star anise. Then for the rosemary, I think I use like a teaspoon of rosemary. Okay, so I am doing teas that will last me up to 1 week. So this tea is going to last me up to 1 week. All right besties, so just put the teas inside your jar just like this, and you add your rosemary as well. Then we're going to leave this to infuse for 24 hours. Okay guys, leave this to infuse for 24 hours. It's more potent when it's infused for a very long time. So this is up to 24 hours. You can see the water has changed and it's time to strain. I'm going to strain it, then I'll be adding in my MSM powder. So for the MSM powder, I'm using 1/4 teaspoon. Okay, so that is what I'm using to measure my MSM powder, and this batch right here is going to last me for a week. Yes guys, this batch right here will last me for a week. After this, I'm going to be transferring it into my spray bottle. So we're going to be talking about the rosemary. Okay guys, the rosemary, why rosemary is really good for hair growth. So rosemary stimulates hair growth, okay, strengthens your hair follicles and improves healthy scalp. Okay, so it stimulates hair growth by improving blood circulation to your scalp, to enrich your hair follicles and to make sure your hair follicles has the natural things it needs to grow. Okay, it encourages hair growth and thickness, promoting hair growth density, strengthens and helps you to give you the actual results or the actual length you want when using it consistently. Okay, rosemary addresses thin edges, like if you have thin lines like alopecia, patches, blocked hormone, rosemary is going to help you out if used consistently. Okay, it also helps to reduce dandruff. If you have like a dry scalp, using rosemary consistently, that's going to help you out. All right besties, so Consistency is the key. Use regular for long-term use, long-term application, like over like 6 months you will definitely see a result. All right guys, so I have been using all these ingredients and it has been doing a wonderful, amazing thing to my hair. So if it's not working, I don't bring it out. I make sure that a spice or a treatment or a tea or whatever I'm putting on my hair actually works before I bring it out, so that my besties can try it out. Have you tried mixing anise and rosemary together? Let me know in the comment section. So I'm just going to spray this all over my hair. After spraying it, I'll be going in with my oils, butter, leave-in condition, and massaging it at the end. Yeah besties, so if you watched to this extent, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. If you have not, share a beautiful comment. Let me know in the comment section, will you be trying rosemary? Have you used rosemary and anise together? Have you used them together before? Let me know in the comments. So this is my leave-in condition and I'm going to use it to seal in the tea I have spray on my hair, okay, so that the tea don't disappear or don't dry out my hair or don't fall out. You know, when you spray water on your hair, either your hair absorbs the water or your hair does not absorb the water. It's two ways. So this is my hair and it's not up to 2 months of this mini braids, and I have noticed that it has grown a lot. I believe that the past week, like for I think when I made the hair the first time, I did not do a lot on my hair. I just left the hair to rest, okay? And after the holidays, because I did it during the holidays, and after the holidays I did not do it on my hair. I left my hair to rest during the holidays, and after the holidays I started doing things on my hair. So this oil right here is a mixture of rosemary and lavender, okay? So I blended rosemary and lavender and added in olive oil and Jamaica black castor oil and almond oil. Then I mixed everything together and I added in MSM powder too inside that oil. So I mix everything together and that is the oil I have been using, and I've been seeing amazing results. And I want to compliment my front edges, guys. Like ever since I said don't touch your front edges, I have been seeing results on my front edges. Before, when I started this my hair growth journey, I always spray things on my front edges, always touching my front edges, always rubbing my front edges, and instead of me retaining the small growth I'm having, I always end up losing my front edges. But ever since I don't know, I grew a backbone of not touching my front edges every time. I have seen really good result about it. So joining the fat of the teas and the butters and everything I'm putting on my hair, and also trying to eat healthy life, because our hair grows from within. So if you eat a healthy food, have a healthy diet, definitely you will get a longer hair, in fuller, juicier hair. Sometimes I always see comment, people will say that Africans cannot grow longer hair. It's not true. Africans can grow long hair, okay? There's this lady, she's my idol. I have seen her hair, like her hair is waist length. She's an African, like African like me. Yeah, so she has a very long hair. So my goal is to first have a healthy hair, second grow a longer hair as well. So I'm using my shea butters and all the things I normally put on my hair when I use a tea. So love, if I help you enjoy today's video, please subscribe. If you have not shared, comment, let me know in the comment section. I know you all have been seeing a lot of growth. If you are an OG, you know my hair has really changed, and I'm so happy about the results. Can't wait for the next phase. I'm thinking of doing a challenge, not sure yet, but let me know in the comment section which challenge will you guys love to see, like tea challenge or deep condition challenge. Let me know in the comments which one you guys would like to see, and I'll try it out for you all. So the last thing I'm going to do is to massage my hair and massaging my hair really takes time. Like I can stand here for like 30 minutes massaging my front edges everywhere on my hair. So I stay 30 minutes to massage my hair, but for the benefit of this video, I did not stay that long. So I hope you enjoyed today's video with me. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Please do well to subscribe to the channel if you have not. Share a beautiful comment where you'll be trying this recipe. This really works. Okay, if the next video you see is me taking down my braids, because the braids is already very old. Why? Because of the last tea, like this tea I did, it made the braid so old. I have to take it down, and it's taking me days to lose the braid. Like as I am editing this video right now, I am still taking down my braids because of I don't want my hair to cut, so it takes me a lot of time to take down my braids. But anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye for now.